Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts. In a few hours from now, the S&P 500 will open, and usually it correlates quite a lot with Bitcoin. Haven't done it the last few weeks, so we'll try to see how the S&P 500 opens, and we'll do a scalp based off on that. The DXY, nice and weak, still. We're looking to close it below here. How's the weekly look? Let's remove the lines. Big reversal doji. Could be a reversal. I hope not. I want it to go down. Bitcoin right here. Critical, I would say. Critical. As you can see, fundings, we're basically making a bear flag over here. A bear pennant. And fundings and premiums are going up a little bit. So that is not that cool actually. However, it is a Sunday and weekends usually are a bit less, bit less trustworthy, If this was on a weekday, would have been different. Support for now, 29k or just the lower lows, for now it is basically, the low of yesterday, or $33,000. After that, you just count the lows, and 29k will be a big support. After that, it is basically 20k. Resistance 40k. If we break 40k, we go for sure over here, and that is 46k. I'm just seeing a tightening pattern. And I'm not sure. We had yesterday quite some negative funding, and discounts. However, they're disappearing already. So I am not that sure what to expect from it. BitMEX, however, is still on the short side. Bybit isn't. Bybit, they're apes. Ethereum looks a bit better than Bitcoin, I would say. Really critical part for Ethereum is 25,500. Low, all on that level. If you're trading Ethereum, put your stop over there. And probably there will be a lot. What is looking very juicy is Ethereum BTC. Broke up, from these highs, making higher highs all the way. So Ethereum is looking truly magnificent. Looking for a continuation. Resistance for Ethereum BTC will be up here, this will be the big one. If they crack this one, then they will go very rapidly to this one, and that will keep going, I suspect. For now, the big one is 0.8. Doge had this very clear breakout over here. You could all see it coming. I longed this one, just below 30 cents. Very, very happy with it. You could see me call it on Twitter. Anyway, I think, they might they might go for another one over here. Looking at it like this, it is about time, they do the next run. That is it for Doge. Support, we're just looking for higher lows all the way. You could draw a trend line over here as well. But it's just about making higher lows right now and making those higher highs in a lower time frame. Of course, correlates very much with Bitcoin. Take a look at Doge BTC over here. Also this very big break over here. Boom. And right now, on a lower time frame, it isn't looking that great, Made a low over here, popped up, low over here, and now we're making lower lows again. It is time they hold this level for Ethereum BTC. So this one, and I would say this one, this is support. What I want to break is these two. And you can do that, like horizontals on every level. You can do it on every time frame. Works a lot. So looking for higher lows and up. Something else. Anonymous threatened Elon Musk. Kind of exposed him a little bit of his dirty side of the business. and they were kind of mad about Elon Musk manipulating the markets, and I tend to agree with them. Not really happy with Elon Musk at the moment either. Matic, let's remove the lines. On the hourly, not looking that great, you know. Just looking for higher highs and higher lows as well. Fundamentally, I don't know what Sandeep is doing. No clue. And I mean, for now, you know, this is resistance. This level over there, you want to see higher highs, and this being the low. And you want to turn resistance into support. That is basically it. That's how I would play Matic. Could be a good buying opportunity. Depends on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, I mean, Solana against resistance over here from the VPVR. Very clear, but has shown a lot of strength. Maybe there's some news considering or around Solana. I don't know. Yeah, I'm seeing resistance over here. So might take a breather. They did a lot already at 8%. Of course, if Bitcoin makes a pump today, Solana will go on for a little bit, of course. SRM, consolidating very much. Low, lows. I mean, high. So, I mean, it's not perfect at the moment. Important support for SRM is 440. Important resistance, let's put it over here, is 5.4. So that is basically it. You can draw a little trend line in it. We're on the hourly chart. It is a bit zoomed out, but I would see something like this. Not a really bullish pattern, you know, but we want to see higher highs. So for now, you know, you want SRM above $5. And that is about it. Fear and greed update, you know, or the fear and greed index. Extreme fear, usually a good point to buy. I'm not so sure. I mean, I am really bullish always. The thing is, summer is in front of us, you know, and markets usually do not go up that much during summer. So that is a little bit, yeah. And else, you know, I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but the influx of FUD, you know, is very high, and the market really responds to it. In a bull market, FUD or bad news, you know, the market don't care, go up. At the moment, you know, we see it something differently. Oh yeah, El Salvador, basically a bankrupt country, put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So yeah, there are some memes coming in. Really good development, of course. A country actually holding Bitcoin and stuff like that, doing with it. Really good thing. However, you know, it's not a country like Switzerland or Norway, a rich developed country, doing that. So it is really good. I hope other countries follow. Very bullish fundamentally for Bitcoin. And that is about it. Chart is not looking that bad, you know. It's just, I mean, on a lower time frame, you know, you can see a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. An important resistance right now is this level. Exactly 36,400. If that breaks up, we will see a pop up. Next up, very clear one, 38k. And if 40k gives in, you know, it's balls out long. Fuck it. I hope I can say that on YouTube, by the way. Anyway, that's about it for today. Happy trading, guys. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.